Dear students, I have already completed first part of the aromaticity. Today I am going to start second part of the aromaticity. Starting with example 3. Example 3. This example 3 means type 3, where compounds oblique ions carry 6 pi electrons, such as compounds ions carrying 6 pi electrons, such as first member is benzene, carries 6 pi electrons, 3 double bond. Cycloheptatrienyl cation. This also carries 6 pi electron. Cyclopentadienyl anion. It also carries 6 pi electrons. Cyclooctatrienyl dication. This also carries 6 pi electrons. Cyclooctatrienyl cation, trienyl dication, and one more is cyclobutynyl dianion. This also carries 6 pi electrons. In these examples, start from benzene, cycloheptatrienyl cation, cyclopentadienyl anion, cyclooctatrienyl dication, and cyclobutynyl dianion. All these compounds carry 6 pi electrons. All are cyclic, and cyclic. All are planar. This is planar molecule conjugated system. Planar molecule conjugated system. This again conjugated, and conjugated. Also resonance, and all follow the Huckel's rule. So all are aromatic compounds and the ions. So you can write like this. All are cyclic, all are planar, all are conjugated all are fully delocalized all follow Haeckel's rule, that is 4n plus 2 pi electron. For this, where n is 1, to calculate the n, 4n plus 2 pi electron is equal to 6 pi electron. So 4n is equal to 4, n is equal to 1. So all have equal value which is equal to 1. Hence all are aromatic. Hence all are aromatic. Now I testify the compound on the basis of Frost cycle. Frost cycle, at least in benzene I can show you. Using Frost's circle, we can testify. Using Frost's circle, we can testify whether all molecular orbitals are fully filled or not. See with benzene. This is Frost circle, is drawn as this is carbon, this is carbon of benzene. Connect them together. This is benzene. It draw the horizontal line. This horizontal line says the non-bonding molecular orbital. Above this dotted line, anti-bonding molecular orbital, and below this it is bonding molecular orbital. So there is no molecular orbital on the dotted line. So the molecular orbitals are lying 1, 2, 3 on dotted line, no molecular orbital, 4, 5 and 6. This is bonding bonding molecular orbital, anti-bonding molecular orbital, and no, this is non-bonding molecular orbital. The benzene carries 6 pi electrons, so fill the 6 electrons in these molecular orbitals according to Hund's rule. So it is 2, like that. The bonding molecular orbitals are fully filled. Bonding molecular orbitals are fully filled, which suggests that Benzene is aromatic. Benzene is aromatic. Bonding molecular orbitals are fully filled, which suggests that benzene is aromatic. So it has been testified on the basis of Frost circle. Frost circle. The other type of compounds comes in example 4. So this is example 4. Example 4 means type 4. Compounds or ions containing 8 pi electrons and 10 pi electrons. First start with 8 pi electrons. The molecule is this. The name of this compound is cyclooctatetraene. Cyclooctatetraene. It is also represented like this. This is Packard structure of. This is Packard structure. Of this. It carries 8 pi electrons. It looks cyclic, looks planar, looks fully conjugated, fully delocalized, Now here it follows 4n pi electron rule. This rule suggests that it is anti-aromatic and value of n is equal to 2. Hence, it is anti-aromatic compound. It is anti-aromatic compound. For the value 2, see 4n pi electron equal to 8 pi electron. So 4n is 8, n is 2. So it is 2. So it is anti-aromatic compound. Cyclooctatetraene is anti-aromatic compound. The example of 10 pi electron is dianion of this molecule. See, cyclooctatrienyl dianion. It is cyclic, planar, conjugated delocalized it follows Huckel's rule. That is 4n plus 2 pi electron, and n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2, 2, 2, 6, 10 pi, so it is n is equal to 2. Hence aromatic dianion. See this compound, this is cyclooctatrienol dianion. It is cyclic, it is planar, conjugated means this electron pair is in conjugation to this pi bond, this electron pair is in conjugation to this pi bond, so it is conjugated, delocalized. It follows Huckel's rule, 4n plus 2 pi for n is equal to 2 and n barabar 2. Hence aromatic dianion. It carries 10 pi electrons. Now the fourth category, perhaps fourth, nahi, fifth. It is fifth. Example, fifth. Heterocyclic compounds. A compound which carries one or more heteroatom such as NaSO in addition to carbon in the ring is called heterocyclic compound. A compound which carries one or more heteroatom such as nitrogen, sulfur or oxygen in addition to carbon in the ring is called heterocyclic compound. For example, this is pyrrole. This pyrrole has this lone pair which takes part in delocalization, so it is Huckel's lone pair. Huckel's rule pair takes part in resonance or delocalization. Name of this compound is pyrrole. Other example is this is furan. This has Huckel's lone pair, and this lone pair is non-Huckel role pair. Non-Huckel's lone pair. Non-Huckel's lone pair does not take part in delocalization. In delocalization. This lone pair does not take part in delocalization. This Huckel's lone pair takes part in delocalization. Huckel's lone pair takes part in delocalization. Due to this, it attains sextet. Because of delocalization of Huckel's lone pair, the molecule attains sextet. You can write like that. Because of presence of Huckel's lone pair, pyrrole and furan both attains sextet, that is 6 pi electron, and is delocalized hence both are hetero, so hence both are aromatic. Hence both are aromatic compounds. So this is cyclic, planar, conjugated, delocalized, follows Huckel's rule. N is 1. Follows Huckel's rule. The other example of heterocyclic compound is this is triazine. This is Huckel's non-Huckel's lone pair. It is also non-Huckel's lone pair. This is non-Huckel lone pair. It does not take part in delocalization because sextet is already completed. 2 pi electron, 2 pi electron and 2 pi electron. So it has completed sextet. No need to include the non-Huckel's lone pair in the ring. So it is cyclic, planar, conjugated, delocalized, it follows Huckel's rule. That is 4n plus 2 pi electron is equal to 6 pi electron. So value of n is 1. It is aromatic compound. So triazine is hence aromatic. So this is aromatic. Similarly, this is pyridine. This is non-Huckel lone pair, again aromatic. It fulfills this criteria. Pyridine, name of this molecule is pyridine. It fulfills this criteria. Now next one is miscellaneous compounds. The other type of compound, this is example 6. The cyclopropene, cyclopentene, and trienes containing exocyclic double bond, exhibit aromatic character. The cyclopropene, cyclopentene and cycloheptatriene containing exocyclic double bond exhibit aromatic character. Say for example, it is cyclopentene, it carries exocyclic double bond and it is bonded to another ring. This is propene. Name of this compound is chylysine. This is aromatic because of resonance. This pi bond goes over here, creating negative charge here and the positive charge here. This becomes aromatic ring. Again, this is aromatic ring, already taught to you, aromatic ring. The other example of this type is this is cycloheptatriene containing exocyclic double bond. If it is bonded to cyclopentene, this one, so this is smaller ring cyclopentene and this is cycloheptatriene. So name will be cyclopentadienyl cycloheptatriene. Cyclopentadienyl cycloheptatriene. It is also aromatic. It shows resonance. This goes over here. This becomes negatively charged, this becomes positively charged. This ring is aromatic. This ring also aromatic. Both rings are aromatic and fused together, so molecule as a whole is aromatic. Both rings are aromatic and both are fused together, so resultant molecule, which is this, is aromatic. Some ketones of this type, show aromatic character or aromaticity. H. This is ketone. It shows resonance because of electronegativity, negative, and this is the positive. So when it completely shifts over the oxygen atom, so oxygen becomes negative and this becomes positive. So this ring is aromatic ring. Aromatic ring. Just as this ring is aromatic ring, this ring is aromatic ring, so this is also the aromatic ring. Similarly, one more example in this regard is this is tropone. It also shows resonance like this, so it becomes negative. And this becomes positive. This is aromatic ring. Aromatic ring. So this tropone is aromatic. This is aromatic. In addition to this, you study yourself about the anilines. Anilines are also the aromatic compound, but this is sufficient for you. Thank you.